Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a word of warning to all users of Firefox. There are 2 0 days that are critical, need to be fixed right away in Firefox. So there's a conference in Berlin that has been happening, which is the Pawn2Own. These are people gathering and trying to find security flaws within software. And of course, that helps different companies by seeing what flaws they need to fix for security. And while they were doing this, they, of course, went with the Firefox browser and 2 flaws, both of them that have to do with JavaScript read-write and errors and some the fact that the flaw actually opens up the possibility of getting admin rights and doing what you want. And Mozilla has been quite fast in fixing those. The flaws were discovered just Saturday, May the 17th. And only a few hours later, my Firefox or Mozilla released a new version, which is 138.0.4 that fixes the flaw. So they're already fixed. That means you're already secure. And that's quick when you consider that some flaws were discovered in Windows and in other software that don't even have a fix yet. I guess Microsoft will wait until Patch Tuesday next month to fix those. But this is pretty quick. Firefox is now fixed. So if you're using Firefox, make sure to stay safe that you do update the browser. It's your first line of defense as you use it to go online. 2 security flaws discovered at Pawn2Own. And of course, this is good because now these are fixed thanks to these guys that, of course, are also winning money in exchange for finding flaws. And we'll have a little more about the Pawn2Own because I will be looking at the Pawn2Own information blog to see where and what has been discovered that could be of interest to us here. I know they found a flaw in Windows 11, so maybe more. So we'll be checking that out. So update Firefox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.